Indian markets opened Monday with a profound jolt, as the Sensex plummeted 600 points, pushing the Nifty down to test the critical 24,200 level. This wasn't merely a technical correction, it was a visceral, immediate reaction to escalating Iran-US tensions, sending clear and tangible ripples through global energy markets. The immediate financial implication was a broad-based sell-off, driven by acute risk aversion and profit-taking across various segments, significantly impacting overall investor sentiment. This forward-looking event signals a crucial structural shift where geopolitical instability becomes an increasingly potent and unpredictable variable in our portfolio strategy, demanding a higher premium on vigilance, diversification, and a deep understanding of external shock absorbers within your holdings. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of global events and domestic market performance. The core catalyst behind today's market fragility stems directly from the heightened geopolitical friction between Iran and the United States, specifically its impact on crude oil supply lines. This tension immediately translates into a sharp ascent in global crude oil prices, a direct and significant threat to India's delicate economic equilibrium. As the world's third-largest net importer of oil, India's substantial energy bill comes under immediate pressure, widening the current account deficit and potentially weakening the rupee against major global currencies. Structurally, this underscores India's inherent susceptibility to global energy shocks, necessitating a long-term strategic focus on enhancing domestic energy security, accelerating renewable energy transitions, and diversifying import sources to profoundly mitigate such persistent external vulnerabilities in the years ahead. Amidst the market turbulence, we observed a fascinating and instructive pattern of capital rotation, a dynamic where institutional money shifts strategically between sectors. While the broader market experienced significant selling pressure, certain sectors and specific equities demonstrated remarkable resilience, or even saw notable gains. Tech Mahindra and Bharti Airtel shares, for instance, bucked the overall trend, suggesting sophisticated investors are actively seeking defensive plays or sectors with inherent insulation from geopolitical energy shocks and potential inflationary impacts. Conversely, financial heavyweights like Axis Bank and HDFC Bank faced discernible declines, indicating investor concerns over potential economic slowdowns, rising interest rates impacting loan growth, and a possible deterioration in asset quality. This immediate divergence reveals a critical structural shift. Discerning investors are actively re-evaluating sector-specific moats and demand dynamics, moving capital towards perceived safe havens, and systematically away from growth-sensitive or import-reliant segments that face direct margin pressure. The surge in global oil prices directly exacerbates India's existing inflationary pressures, which had shown tentative signs of moderation just weeks prior. This renewed inflationary impulse immediately tightens the monetary policy leash for the Reserve Bank of India, potentially delaying any anticipated interest rate cuts that markets had begun to price in. The forward-looking structural shift here is a fundamental repricing of interest rate expectations across the entire yield curve, making borrowing more expensive for corporations and consumers alike, impacting investment cycles and consumption patterns. This creates a challenging operating environment for highly leveraged companies and consumer discretionary sectors, as disposable incomes are squeezed and capital costs rise, ultimately dampening overall growth prospects across the economy and impacting earnings visibility for many firms. Despite these formidable immediate headwinds, it's crucial for discerning investors to contextualize India's market resilience within its broader, enduring structural narrative. The Indian economy boasts exceptionally robust domestic consumption, a burgeoning and aspirational middle class, and significant, consistent government infrastructure spending, all of which collectively provide a strong countercyclical buffer against external shocks. The immediate implication of this foundational strength is that while short-term volatility and market corrections are inevitable, the underlying secular growth trajectory of India remains largely intact, preventing a sustained, deep market downturn. This forward-looking perspective profoundly emphasizes India's unparalleled demographic dividends and ongoing economic reforms, which continue to underpin a compelling multi-year growth thesis, fundamentally differentiating it from more export-dependent or externally vulnerable economies globally. In times of heightened market stress and geopolitical uncertainty, the role of central bank policymakers and government fiscal action becomes paramount in anchoring sentiment. The Reserve Bank of India, known for its proactive and prudent stance, will likely prioritize inflation management while vigilantly monitoring rupee stability, potentially intervening in foreign exchange markets if necessary to prevent excessive volatility. Corporate guidance, while typically cautious in such an environment, will increasingly focus on enhancing supply chain resilience, robust cost optimization strategies, and preserving healthy profit margins, adapting proactively to higher input costs. The immediate financial implication is that investor focus will shift decisively towards companies demonstrating exceptionally strong balance sheets, prudent capital allocation strategies, and inherent operational flexibility. This forward-looking structural shift unequivocally signals an environment where managerial adaptability and astute government policy coordination become critical differentiators for insulating economic performance from external shocks, ultimately rewarding fundamentally strong and agile entities. For sophisticated investors, today's market action critically underscores the paramount importance of strategic asset insulation. This is not merely about avoiding all risk, rather, it's about meticulously structuring your portfolio to inherently withstand unexpected, high-impact shocks, much like expertly building a robust, multi-layered shield against a sudden, violent storm. This immediate implication calls for a meticulous re-evaluation of sector weightings, emphasizing businesses endowed with strong pricing power, minimal import dependence, and consistent, predictable cash flows, often found in essential services or technology. The forward-looking structural shift critically encourages a barbell investment strategy, anchoring portfolios with exceptionally resilient, defensive core holdings while selectively allocating to high-growth, domestically consumption-driven segments that exhibit inherent immunity to global geopolitical volatility. This strategic recalibration ensures long-term capital preservation, sustainable growth, and enhanced risk-adjusted returns. Beyond the immediate, often tumultuous short-term noise of geopolitical events and market corrections, the multi-year thesis for investing in India remains compellingly strong and fundamentally unaltered. Demographics, continued digitalization across industries, and robust domestic demand continue to act as powerful, immutable tailwinds, driving profound structural growth across the economy. The immediate financial implication is that market corrections, while inherently uncomfortable and anxiety-inducing in the moment, often present opportunistic and attractive entry points for astute investors with a patient, long-term horizon. This forward-looking structural shift reinforces the profound idea that temporary shocks do not derail the fundamental, transformative trajectory of India's economy. Instead, they serve as crucial stress tests, ultimately validating the inherent resilience of its growth story and potentially accelerating judicious capital allocation towards well-managed, future-proof enterprises that can thrive through various cycles. The market's visceral reaction today is a powerful and timely reminder that unwavering vigilance and deeply informed, institutional-grade analysis are absolutely indispensable in navigating complex and interconnected investment landscapes. At SR Money News IN, we are deeply committed to consistently delivering premium, institutional-grade market intelligence directly to you, specifically designed to empower your critical decision-making, helping you profoundly understand both the immediate financial implications and the long-term structural shifts unfolding globally. To stay decisively ahead of these evolving dynamics and gain even deeper insights into effective portfolio insulation and strategic asset allocation, ensure you subscribe to SR Money News IN right now. Hit that notification bell to receive our timely, in-depth analysis and join our growing community of sophisticated investors. Thank you for tuning in to SR Money News IN. We'll be back with more critical insights very soon.